Everybody wants financial freedom, but only a few people actually get it. Why? Because most people are stuck trading their time for money. But the wealthy? They use assets to multiply their money 24/7. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 assets that can make you rich, whether you're starting from zero or already on your journey. Stick with me until the end, because I'm also going to reveal a secret bonus tip that wealthy Americans use to accelerate their path to financial freedom. Number 1. Business. The first wealth-building asset is business. Let's be real. No one ever got rich just from a paycheck. Take Amazon FBA, for example. Thousands of people in the US are creating stores, selling everyday products, and generating passive income while they sleep. Or look at Apple. They're not just selling phones, they're building an ecosystem. And you can do the same by building your own brand, no matter how small. If you're in the US, you have access to some of the biggest platforms and marketplaces in the world. Whether it's starting your own e-commerce store, leveraging Amazon FBA, or even building a tech startup, business is the fastest way to scale your income. Lightbulb quick question for you guys. If you had to start a business today, would you choose e-commerce, digital services, or tech? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to see what everyone's thinking. Number 2. Investment. The second asset is investments. The wealthy don't just earn money, they make their money work for them. Oil, gold, and stocks have been proven wealth builders for decades. Oil may sound old school, but energy investments are still massive wealth generators. Gold is a safe haven. It protects your money when the economy gets shaky. And stocks? Well, if you had just invested $1,000 into Apple or Tesla 10 years ago, you'd be sitting on tens of thousands today. Here's the key. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to start. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Webull have made investing accessible to literally anyone in the US. Even $5 a week can compound into thousands over time. Number 3. Housing. Asset number 3. Housing. Real estate has created more millionaires in America than any other industry. You don't even need to buy a mansion. Just a small rental property can change your life. You can make money 3 ways. Renting, monthly cash flow. Reselling, buy low, sell high. ETFs and REITs. If you don't want to deal with tenants, you can invest in real estate funds from your phone. Imagine this. You buy a small duplex, rent it out, and the tenants pay your mortgage. Fast forward 10 years, the house doubles in value, and you've been cash flowing the whole time. That's how Americans quietly build generational wealth. The fourth and final wealth-building asset is products. I'm not talking about physical products like shoes or gadgets. I'm talking about digital products that you create once and sell forever. Write an ebook, and it sells on autopilot. Start a podcast, and turn it into sponsorship money. Build an online course, and you've created an asset that pays you while you sleep. Think about it. Your knowledge is valuable. There are people out there willing to pay to learn what you already know. That's why digital products are one of the fastest growing industries in America right now. So let's recap. Business builds cash flow. Investments grow your wealth. Housing gives you stability and passive income. Products create scalable income. If you focus on these 4 assets, you're not just working for money. You're building wealth that lasts for generations. And here's the bonus tip I promised. Multiple streams of income. Don't just rely on one of these assets. The rich combine them. Imagine running a small online business, investing the profits into stocks, owning a rental property, and selling an online course. That's how you win the money game in America. So if you want to get rich with assets, start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building tips, and comment below, which asset will you focus on first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.